The Farmer and the Crooked Tree high-retention spoken storytelling script. The storm did not announce itself with thunder. It came with a silence so sharp the farmer felt it in his bones, the kind of silence that means the sky is holding its breath, right before it breaks. And standing alone in the center of his field was the tree everyone mocked, the Crooked Tree, bent like an old man, twisted as if it had grown arguing with the wind every single day of its life. A strange, uneven silhouette against the horizon, a tree no one understood. But the farmer, he had always loved it. Not because it was useful, not because it was beautiful, but because it wasn't like anything else in his orchard. Tonight, he was about to learn why that mattered. The storm hit with a roar, a tidal wave of wind slamming across the farmland. Straight, proud trees swayed violently and the orchard rose behind him, their trunks rigid, their branches stretched tight like bowstrings ready to snap. The farmer raced toward the barn for cover, but halfway there, a deafening crack split the night. One of his tallest, straightest trees, the one he'd praised for growing perfectly, split clean down the center. Then another, and another. Lightning flashed, illuminating the chaos. Straight trunks toppled like soldiers struck down in a line. But the crooked one, the strange one, the one that leaned left, dipped right, and curled inward like a question. It moved, it bent with the wind, it twisted where the gust twisted, it bowed when the sky demanded it, and somehow it stayed standing. By dawn, the field looked unrecognizable, limbs everywhere, splintered bark, rows of straight trees he had planted with such pride were now strewn across the soil. The farmer walked through the wreckage slowly, boots sinking into the damp earth, heart heavy with the loss. But then he reached the center of the field, and stopped. The Crooked Tree stood alone, bathed in the gentle gold of the rising sun. Its trunk still twisted, still odd, still undeniably different, but whole, alive, untouched. He laid a hand against its bark, feeling the pulse of life still moving through it. "Strange old thing," he whispered. "I thought your shape was your weakness. Turns out it saved you." The wind brushed past him softly, not violent this time, carrying a single leaf that spiraled down from the Crooked Tree and landed at his feet. And the farmer realized something that would stay with him for the rest of his life. Some things survive, not because they fit the pattern, but because they don't. Sometimes the very thing that makes you look out of place is the reason you withstand the storm. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.